Bunaziwa, Romania, Bunaziwa World. Time check, it's 12 noon. And last day of Wednesday class. Next week. Ay, ako na kay Bao. Again, I don't know if wala ko ipagpakabana or walang ko. Late lang yun ko. Anyways. Wow, we have lots of cats here. Pisika, moton, tambok. And then we have two here. Names of UDJG Feya. Bitaw. Next week, exams week na. So, I just finished my English verification. As I mentioned before, minor classes we have verification, and for major classes we have examination. So this week is the last week for classes and the last week for verification. Next week, exams week for the finals. Muna ning time, nag-apas na rin ang uban sa ilang attendance kay sige ka absent. But nagyapoy uban na wala nag-take og exam. Ambot ganahan siguro sila gukod silang teacher. I mean, can't blame the others kay naman sila work, pero ang uban, it's just their choice. Ano ispilahan ka? Nag-ulan, I think. Wa ako kabati. Dayon, honestly, nakaingon gid ko after sa verification sa English nga harsh kaayo de. Harsh or lahi ra kay ang educational system sa ato sa Philippines. I don't know lang karon ha, but the way I remember it before, mapa major or minor, OA kayo ang exam. Masin walay simple na exam. Miskin minor, miskin PE, na written, di ba? Na pang memorize, na murag lisod-lisoron gyud ka. Diri ganina na shock kay ko. 15 items all in all English subject. Na-amaze ko. As in, kaya ra kay mahuman og 5 minutes. I don't know lang kung if it's because we use English or learn English a lot. Ambot. Anyways, happy day.